What's up guys, Clint here, MarineMax over here in Lewisville, Texas. I'm sitting behind a 2023 NXT. Let's check out the rest of the boat. One cool feature on this boat, pull down swim seat. So easy use, just hanging out in the water. Pulls it right back up. It is finished out with a nice tan sea deck. Let's hop in, check out the rest of the boat. Now we're inside the NXT. This is opted out with the convertible rear lounger, which does fold back into place. Just like so. Fills up nice wraparound seating throughout. On top of the tower you have 4 clip speakers. This is finished out with a nice beach tan interior, white accents with some black in it. Turned out really nice. If you come down to the dash, analog switches and gauges. Still have your surf screen for presets for surf left and right, wakeboarding, everything preset from the factory, ready to go. Other cool communicating storage all the way up through the bow. This does have the pickle fork design, so very spacious up here in the NXT22. If you're interested in this boat, come see us at MarineMax in Lewisville. Again, my name is Clint Riether. Looking forward to seeing you.